Good afternoon. So you can go to NCERT page number 323 that gives you the expression and derivation of the image, object and radius of curvature for a convex sphere. So this is the diagram for refraction at a convex surface. This side is denser and this side is rarer. So if you look into this derivation, you see these 1-2 expressions. Basically, some triangles are created, and the formula which you've studied in class 9th probably, exterior angle is equal to sum of interior angles, that has been used. Some trigonometry has been applied, mainly tan of alpha, tan of gamma, tan of beta. So you have applied exterior angle triangle property. You have applied the concept of the Snell's law, which is refraction. You combine these two, trigonometry and some Snell's law. What you will finally get is this expression, which you just see on the board, and mu naught upon minus u. So if you want to do this derivation, very